Okay, good morning, good morning. Yan.
Yan, ayos.
Good morning sa ating mga easy partners na nanonood ng live ngayon. Doc, good
Yun.
morning. Good morning po, Doc
Good
Butch.
morning, pare ko. Oo, alam mo naman
Monday mo ngayon, Doc.
Monday. Oo, pare, medyo ayos ko lang to aking ilapit ko lang aking napakagandang yan. Yun no. Okay, so again, as you can see, ako po ay nasa Cardio Pulse Clinic at
Yes,
kasama ko po yung aking mga naggagalingan ng mga nurses kaya kailangan ko po mag-face shield. Oo, so alam niyo naman po, sabi natin we have to observe yung protocol po set by the government. Okay, kaya nga kailangan natin talagang may mga certain protections po para hindi po natin ma-transfer po talaga itong COVID na to, no? So again, pare ko, kamusta ang iyong weekend?
Yun, magandang aking weekend, Doc, no? Except for dun sa naging announcement kahapon.
Pare, halimo yung biyahe mo, more than 60 kilometers, ha?
Doc.
Grabe, no? And kahapon din, maganda yung weekend namin, okay? Kasi ngayong araw talaga yung celebration ng aming, hindi wedding anniversary, nung kami ay nagkaroon ng, ano bang tawag na doon? Sweetheart. So, okay, ni Dr. Villena, 32 years ago. Grabe, no? Nagkaroon kami ng konting simple celebration. Binibiro ko nga sabi ko, anak, yung aking 11 years old, gusto bang kumain sa labas? You know, Daddy, what outside are you saying? Sa labas nga. Ay, sabi ko, sige, sama ko. Diyan sa labas ng garden. Yan tayo kakain mamaya, sabi ko. Pero it was fun, kakaiba. First time
Yes.
namin ginawa, okay? Okay naman. And kasi nga, talagang kailangan natin mag-observe doon sa ginawa ng government.
Yeah.
It's still GCQ but with so many adjustments na kailangan
Tama.
talagang i-implement and that we need to follow. Okay, yun lang
Yes.
naman ang pakiusap po sa bawat isa, sa bawat mga Pinoy na nakikinig po ngayon, and of course also for the other leaders watching worldwide. Ito, dumadami na tayo ng dumadami, meron ng mga taga Kingdom of
Okay.
Saudi Arabia, kailangan ho talaga nating mag-observe. Okay, don't be too complacent because this virus is spreading, fast spreading, and nag-mutate. Nagre-recruit ng napakarami every day, no? So, matindi tong virus na to, and kailangan lang tayo mag-ingat po talaga. Okay?
Yeah.
So, pare Koy, yan. Ano bang mga magandang banggitin natin, pare? Bago
Yan.
tayo magsimula ng husto.
Doc, ito maganda Doc. Mamaya hindi nila pwedeng paligpasin talaga to, Doc, kasi
Yan.
matindi ang ating Easy Podcast mamaya alas 7 ng gabi. None other than
Sige, pare, sino ba yan? Naku!
Ba't
Yan
tayo
naman pala no?
Yun.
Okay? Kita na, pare, kita na. Kita na ba?
Kita na ba?
Kita na nga ba? Hindi pa, pare, hindi pa.
Hindi ba?
Yan! Yun na, kita na, pare Koy. Kita.
Yun.
Okay.
Si Easy Podcast, ang title is Importance of Excitement. So the best person na pwedeng magsabi none other than CMO, Mr. Excitement, Doc Sir John Asperin.
Sir John Asperin. Wala nang ibang mag-explain ng excitement kundi si Mr. Excitement. Yun lang yun eh. Di ba, no? There's no other better person to explain it but of course, the Chief Marketing Officer, Sir John Asperin. At matindi ang mga host. Dalawang vice presidents, siyempre naman po. Pag pinag-uusapan ng board of directors, di ba, pinangunahan po ni Dr. Connie, that was approximately 2 weeks ago, kung daw nagkakamali, no? And
Yes,
siyempre, Sir Ernel and Sir Georgian, siyempre, for our Chief Marketing Officer, Sir Ernel at Sir Georgian po ulit. Okay? So, talagang, this is something that we need to watch. Okay? And that all of the empowered consumers should be there at exactly 7 p.m. Ito po yung magtatagalan ng 1 oras. Baka expect nyo po mga 2 oras. Hindi po. Pag Easy Podcast po, eksakto po tayo 1 oras. Just like what we did last Saturday. Pare,
Yes,
no?
Ganda nung ano nyo.
Ganda ng Sabado no? Kasi nga, it's all about adjustment Okay? Hindi sa crisis na kasi talaga to Di sa pandemic crisis, no? So we need to adjust one way or the other in order for us to be able to adapt, okay, what's happening right now. Okay? So, pare Koy.
Okay, Doc.
Palagay ko simulan natin. Share muna ako habang baka may mga nasa isip ka pa dyan habang nag-share ako ng aking slides. Okay.
By the way, sa ating mga Easy viewers ngayon, I would just also like to remind you that bukod sa live po ito sa Facebook natin, simultaneous pong binobroadcast din po ito sa ating YouTube channel. Yan.
Tama. So, pare, share na, no?
TV.
Oo, share na, pare.
Yes, share natin.
Habang tayo nag-i-invite, Brad, okay? Palagi ko, konting shoutout muna tayo, brother, no? Konting shoutout, okay?
Yeah, shoutout
pa in-enlarge. Sino ba itong ating mga kasama na? Si John Matthew Lorraine Clo. Yan. From Kuwait, si Janetta Kaimpon. Yun, pare ko
So another one from Kuwait, Doc, si Charmy Estrera. Yan.
Now, from Macau, Marieta Orate Olieres. Ba't ibang bansa, pare? Ito, may Germany pa. Okay,
wow!
Si Marilu Bednarek. Yun. Okay.
Ibang bansa talaga. Ito, Doc, from Japan.
Japan naman ngayon.
Sakurada.
Wow.
Watching from Japan.
Wow. Okay, and may nakita ko din from Malaysia, Lawrence Pilapil. Yan.
Wow.
So as you can see here, talagang all over the world ang empowered consumerism, no? Hindi na kailangan pag-isipan, hindi na kailangan pagdudahan, talaga napakaganda. Pero for the benefit of our guest, yun na-explain namin ni Brother Christian kung ano ba talagang kagandahan po ng ating kumpanya. Okay? So pare ko, talagay ko, palalaking ko na to.
Okay po.
para masimulan na natin. Thank you very much, Brother Christian, again to our empowered leaders. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I'm Dr. Villena. I'm your medical consultant. And of course, I've been a doctor for 25 years and a specialist of family medicine. I'm a professor of 12 years, both in the College of Medicine and Nursing before I became part of Empowered Christian Medicine. And of course, I co-authored this great book with my wife, Complete 24/7 Natural Healers. So if you would like to know further about the significance and importance of food supplements, grab a copy of the book and enjoy, okay? Sabi nga po, the significance of food supplements. And of course, I am your medical and product specialist. So to begin with, I have a Facebook page. If you have certain questions about the products of the company, you can ask me through my Facebook page, Dr. Butch Villanapur, Doc V. I-click nyo lang po yung thumbs up icon. Diyan po tayo mag-uusap ng maganda po. And of course, good morning po. The person why I became part of this business, the one who invited me to join the company, is of course my wife. Also a doctor, a pediatrician by profession. And again, bago ko magpatuloy, happy 32nd anniversary po sa aking asawa. Okay, pero hindi ho wedding bilang mag-girlfriend at boyfriend lang ho. Okay? So, kasi we've been married since year 2000 pa lang. So, 21 years pa lang po kaming kasal. Okay? So, simulan ko na po. Siyempre, bago tayo magsimula, okay, can all of you please smile? Yan para active tayo para active tayo. I-share nyo na po ito habang hindi pa tayo talaga tuluyang nasa ating topic, okay, habang tayo nag-i-intro pa lang po. Share to your friends, to your loved ones, to your former classmates, okay, to your clients, para po masimulan natin. Pero mas maganda po, i-type nyo po dyan sa ating comment section. I-type nyo po, smile. Yun. Okay, smile po. Sabi na sa akin, Doc, even on these times of pandemic, we need to smile. Oh naman. Why? Two things usually happen when we smile. Number one is to attract a positive fortune. Siyempre, kailangan po natin yon. And number two is for you to what? Okay? To boost your immune system. Inuulit-ulit ko po ito sa aking mga trainings and every time I talk. Once you smile, your immune system will be strengthened and it will help kill different kinds of microorganisms including bacteria, virus, fungi, okay, and including cancer cells po. So bago tayo magpatuloy, again, can all of you please smile? Yan. Ay, dami na nagko-comment ng smile. Very good, very good. Yan, ang dami na. Again, si Lawrence Pilapil, okay, si Elena Bacarisas, Allen Brier, yon. Si Jocelyn Seban, Abian Celestial, yan. Albert Ramos. Okay, so, smile tayo para masaya usapan natin. Now, game. Welcome to our wonderful company, Empowered Consumerism. Okay, sabi nga po, again, 15 years. Okay? Last week, if you were able to, if you saw the post of our Chief Executive Officer and, of course, the Director for International Affairs, Dr. Connie Cabantog, okay? And talaga pong sinelebrate natin ang 15th year natin. Okay? So, happy 15th year anniversary po sa atin. Now, we've been in this business for 15 long years and we were able to go to different parts of the world. And sa ngayon po, there are more than 20 countries with branches of Empowered Consumerism. And here in the Philippines alone, we have more than hundreds of offices and centers, okay, from north to south. Now, we're here to change people's lives for the better, sabi nga po natin. At marami na po talagang tao ang nabago ang buhay because of Empowered Consumerism, especially on these times of pandemic. Okay? Alam niyo po, marami po talagang nawalan ng trabaho, nawawalan pa ng trabaho, at ngayon po may adjustments na naman na kailangan gawin, set by the government na kailangan po talagang gawin natin. So, this is another vehicle for you to see na meron pala tayong mga iba pang klase ng business na pwede natin pagkakitaan ng legal at maganda. Okay, so to whom do we owe the success that we are enjoying right now? Yung ating pong millions of distributors worldwide. Of course, to the three board of directors, our Chief Executive Officer, our Visionary President, Dr. Eduardo Cabantog, our Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Excitement, Sir John Raymond Aspirin, and of course, the boss up there in heaven, our Chief Finance Officer, the mentor of all mentors, Engineer Franz Miguel. At sabi nga po, pag pinag-uusapan ng sipag, saludo ho tayo sa mga may-ari po ng Empowered Consumerism. Now, ito po yan. Ang tanong, legal ba tayo? Alam niyo po, as a father, as a medical doctor, as a consultant, ingat po tayo. Napakarami pong mga kumpanya sa buong mundo na kung tawagin ay pyramiding or scam. And inuulit-ulit ko po, when you join this kind of business, like ours, okay, for a while lang po katulad po ng ating negosyo, syempre mag-iimbita ka. Kamag-anak, kaibigan, okay, dati mga classmate, mga barkada, and may bibitawan kang pera. When you buy something, you're gonna shell out the money na pinaghirapan ho yun. Those are said to be hard-earned money. Tama po ba tayo doon? Now, sabi nga po natin, hindi lang yung pera ang mawawala sa'yo, pati po yung reputasyon mo. Kasi kung illegal po yung kumpanya, talagang nakakasira po yan ng reputasyon. At importante po sa atin yan, baka masira tayo sa mga kaibigan natin. Now, I would like to assure you, DTI, SEC, BIR, meron po tayo lahat niyan. And there was a certain year wherein our company was even voted as one of the top 1,000, okay, highest tax-paying company po sa buong Pilipinas. Hindi lang yon. Hundreds of awards na po all over the world ang na-receive ng Empowered Consumerism. And I will vouch my license. This company is legal. Maliwanag po. Now, ba't maganda ang kumpanya natin? Why have we been so successful for the past 15 years? It's mainly because of the products that are being manufactured by international partners. Nature's Way, Weeder, and even the manufacturer of our carrier product, C Supreme, all came from USA, multi-billion US dollar companies. DSM is a multi-billion euro company, and AMS Life is a multi-billion yen company. That's why our company is a multi-billion peso company, and of course, that is Empowered Consumerism. Now, let's continue with this. Yan, sige po. Pusuan natin ang pusuan. Okay, invite tayo ng mga kaibigan natin. Very good, very good. Yan, puso-puso lang. Every time we talk about our body are made up of cells, circular in shape, and inside will be your nucleus that will house your DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay po tayo. Now, sabi nga po do, yan yung pinapamana sa mga anak. Tama po, that's your DNA. And aside from which, yung DNA po natin will also be responsible for you to produce proteins like hemoglobin that carries oxygen, muscle for movements, enzymes to metabolize food, and immunoglobulins antibodies that will help kill different kinds of microorganisms. Yan. So, Doc, maganda pala yun. Tama po. May tinatawag pa tayong mitochondria or powerhouse of the cell. Anong significance? Once oxygen and nutrients like glucose or blood sugar goes inside, they will undergo oxidation. Why? To produce to produce energy. Sabi nga po, Doc, ang pinag-uusapan natin, energy. Tama po. And again, let me try to repeat, my dear empowered leaders, lahat ng bodily functions, kailangan po ng energy. So, Doc, maganda yun eh. Anong problema? Itong problema. While we are producing energy, we are also producing free radicals inside the cells. Diba, Doc, taka lang. Habang gumagawa ka ng energy, gumagawa ka rin ng free radicals. Let me remove my glasses first. Okay. Tama po. So, yan ang problema natin ngayon. While we are producing energy, we're also producing free radicals. Now, game. Let me try to continue with this. Sa environment natin, we have billions of free radicals that you can smell, eat, and drink. So, talagang sabi nga po, Doc, anong ginagawa nitong problema sa katawan natin? Sinisira po nila ang cells natin. We will become defenseless, we will be damaged, and we will be suffering from different kinds of diseases. Mag-mention po ako ng konti, hypertension, heart attack, stroke, and even cancer. So, anong kailangan gawin natin since wala tayong lusot against free radicals? We need to defend ourselves. Ano pong kailangan natin? Antioxidants. My dear empowered leaders, para po interactive tayo, i-type nyo po ngayon, antioxidants. Okay, type nyo po sa chat box natin. Antioxidants. Yan. Sabi ni Bangkoyo Jocelyn, present po. Yon. So, type nyo po antioxidants. Where can we get them? Fruits and vegetables. According to the WHO requirements, we need to eat 5 servings, at least 400 grams of different colors of fruits and vegetables daily. Sabi ng Doc, so kung kumakain ka ng ganun karami, 400 grams, kota ka sa antioxidants, tama. But let's talk about reality and facts. Hindi lahat mahilig kumain ng fruits and vegetables. Hindi lahat nakakain ng ganung karami at hindi lahat nakakapag-prepare, okay, ng vegetables. So, sabi nga po, Doc, if that will be the case, dun pumapasok ang significance ng food supplements. Again, Inuulit-ulit ko po ito para klaro tayo ha. Kung kayo po ay nakakain ng 5 servings of fruits and vegetables, kota. Pero kung hindi po, kailangan nyo ng supplements. Alam mo ang definition ng supplementation? To bridge the nutritional gap between the food that we're eating and the supplements that we're taking. Para magkaroon po talaga ng balance sa katawan natin. Okay? So, Doc, if that will be the case, we need it. Tama. Why? They are there to neutralize the free radicals for your cells to be healthy, for our body to be healthy. And every time we talk about wonderful food supplements that will give us antioxidants in our body, that will supply us with those so-called needed antioxidants, eto na po ang isa sa pinakamaganda, which happens to be the carrier product of our great company, Empowered Consumerism. Eto na po. Yan na. Na kung tatanungin niyo ko timely, kailangan, especially on this times of pandemic, C Supreme. Let us type it there. C Supreme is the best. Okay? Ba't ko sinabing the best? Proven scientific breakthrough in you. Doc, ano pang sinasabi natin dito? Supreme absorption, retention, and performance. I know what you're thinking. Doc, taka lang. It is also vitamin C, ascorbic acid with 500 milligrams. Paano siyang mas naging supreme compared to other kinds of vitamin C? Simple po ang dahilan. Why? Because aside from the vitamin C that has been proven to be so important, so wonderful, so great for so many decades with thousands of studies on vitamin C, dinagdagan pa po ng citrus bioflavonoids complex and lipid metabolites. Now, what will be the significance of these two other components? Ulitin ko, ang vitamin C, medically proven na po yan with so many human clinical studies. Ang citrus bioflavonoids complex is also a strong antioxidant. Dinagdagan pa. So, mas lalong lumakas. Doc, sabi po na iba, Doc, aside from which, it will be there to prevent the oxidizers from damaging the vitamin C, thus preserving, okay, the vitamin C components of C Supreme. So, solid na solid ang function lalo nito. And encapsulated with lipid metabolites. Ito na po. Doc, anong ibig sabihin? For example, if this is the vitamin C, in-encapsulate ng lipid metabolites, kinuberan. Since nakuberan po ito, ano nangyayari ngayon? Safe sa stomach. Even if you have clients suffering from hyperacidity, safe po ito because of the lipid metabolites. Now, from the stomach, they will travel towards your intestines. May wall po ito, maraming blood vessels, and that will serve as the first barrier. Yung mga covering ng blood vessels. Okay? Ngayon, since may lipid metabolites to, they can easily penetrate or go inside the blood vessels. They will flow with the blood. And, darating po sila sa mga cells na merong cell membrane or covering. Merong bilipid layer po ito. Since may bilipid layer po ang cells, may lipid metabolites po ang product natin, kayang-kayang pasukin po yung mga cells natin. Kaya nga po, supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance. Yun. Microencapsulated po ito. Now, according to the studies done by the manufacturer of C Supreme, these are the advantages of our product, C Supreme, to other kinds of vitamin C available in the market. Ilitanya ko po sa inyo. Ito po yung studies po na nagawa nila. 12% more antioxidant delivery compared to other kinds of vitamin C. Why again? Because of the addition of citrus bioflavonoids complex. Doon pa lang lalong lumakas. Next, higher retention of vitamin C in the body. Bakit po? Encapsulated by lipid metabolites. Supreme absorption, retention, performance. More efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing. Sabi ng iba sa akin, Dok, ano ba yung mga yan? Well, they are part of your connective tissue. Na pag pinatibay mo yan, na-promote mo yan, ano mangyayari? Faster wound healing, and of course, even stronger bones. What else? Higher reduction on plasma levels of C-reactive proteins. People kept on asking me, Doctor, what are these so-called C-reactive proteins? Well, ang function po nito, they are the biomarkers for certain kinds of cardiovascular diseases and even inflammatory reactions. So if you're gonna reduce the C-reactive proteins in your plasma, what will happen? Meron siyang anti-inflammatory effect and will be protecting us from different kinds of cardiovascular diseases. Yun. And then, more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxins. Let me remind you, my dear leaders, anywhere you go, there will be toxins. So it is but just important to strengthen and protect the immune system against the so-called toxins. Okay? And more reduction of oxidized LDL cholesterol which happens to be the bad carriers of cholesterol. If you're gonna oxidize them, they will embed, kumakapit sa blood vessel wall. That will lead to atherosclerosis or the hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall. Imagine, kung ito yung blood vessel mo, nagkaroon ng atherosclerosis. Sumisikip po yung daluyan ng dugo sa loob ng blood vessel. And if you're gonna prevent this oxidation of LDL cholesterol, naiiwasan mo ang atherosclerosis, lumuluwag ang blood vessel to promote good flow of blood. And since pinataas mo, o dinagdagan mo pa siya ng citrus bioflavonoid complex, yung kanyang free radical scavenging activities, lalo pang nai-enhance. And finally, 1,200% more stimulation of healthy neurons. When you talk about neurons, these are the nervous system cells and nerve regeneration. So sabi ko nga po sa inyo, hindi lang yun, may word kami sa medisina, re-epithelialization. Okay? Sila po ay nagre-repair or nagre-redevelop po ng ating lining, ng tissues po ng skin and even the internal organs of the body. So if you're looking for a product that will be good for your lungs, especially on these times of pandemic, wag na po kayo maghanap ng ibang vitamin C. Wag na lumingon pa. Because the best of the best vitamin C is right here in our company. Okay, and the name is C Supreme of Empowered Consumerism. Very good. So again, for the second time po, i-type nyo po dyan. C Supreme is the best. Yon. Okay, now, what else? Our former flagship product. Let me drink my coffee first. Sandali lang po, mga kapatid. Okay. Very good. C24/7. Naku, the best of the best din po ito. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, kuha ko na yan. Maganda yung C24/7, tama po. Every time I look at my right side nga po pala, tinitingnan ko po yung mga comments po ninyo. The former flagship product with 22,000 phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals, amino acids, green foods, fruits and vegetables, mushrooms, enzymes, herbs, and of course, essential omega fatty acids. Alam niyo, doon pa lang sa usapin na yon. Kota na. Kotang-kota na. Okay, pero let me try to remind you. From the vitamins down to the essential fatty acids, these were the components of our first flagship product, which we call as Complete Phyto Energizer. Sabi nga nila, Doc, ang ganda naman ng mga produkto na Empowered Consumerism. You said it right. Talagang we have the best of the best food supplements in our company. Okay, pero sabi nga po natin, Doc, anong ginawa ng mga owners? Dinagdagan pa ng 5 anti-aging at 4 na longevity polyphenols or the one we call as Restore Life. As the word implies, restore your life or rejuvenate your life. So, Doc, ang nangyari pala, lahat ng 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life with 5 anti-aging plus all of the components of Complete were added up, tama, to come out with one of the best food supplements that we have. And that is C24/7 of Empowered Consumerism. And let me try to remind you, my dear leaders, especially our guests, year 2016, our very own product C24/7 was awarded as the #1 food supplement in the world. Grabe. And when this product was launched 2010, every day for the past 11 years, iniinom ko po yan. For a while po. Okay, yan ang hirap pag mayroong face shield din, no? For a while, sorry po. Now, game po tayo. Ngayon, let me try to continue. So, Doc, the best po ito. Talagang the best ang produktong yan. Ngayon, let me continue with this one. Okay, ito na. Our first flagship product, ang pangalan po, Complete Phyto Energizer. Naku, isa pang napakagandang produkto. Dito po nagsimula ang Empowered Consumerism. Sabi nga po natin, Doc, okay, diyan tayo nagsimula. Because of that product, talaga pong lumaki ng gusto ang Empowered Consumerism. Now, anong kagandahan po ng ating first flagship product with 16,000 phytonutrients po? Okay? And, Doc, hindi ba ang C24/7, 22,000? So, doon pa lang alam niyo na po that C247 is better than Complete by 6,000 phytonutrients. At lahat ng laman ng Complete sa C24/7. Ang tanong lagi sa akin, Doc, if that is the case, okay, ganun naman pala, ba't may Complete pa? Pag may buntis kayong kliyente, nagbe-breastfeeding po, umiinom ng mga blood-thinning synthetic medications, may bleeding, at may problema po sa reproductive organs ng babae. And for those suffering from problems of the kidney and even the liver, the preferred product for that will be Complete. And for the rest of your clients, you can go with C24/7. Klaro? Okay. Ngayon, itong restore life, as the word implies, is restore your life or rejuvenate your life. Sabi nga po nila, Dok, teka lang. Okay to tama. Because according to medical studies, yung resveratrol saka yung 4 longevity polyphenols, once they enter your nucleus, they will repair your damaged DNA. So, the ones being destroyed by free radicals will be repaired by resveratrol, by this product. And according to medical studies, it can prolong our lives by 30% or more. And that's wonderful. Now, what else? They can also break down the fats to form energy, helps normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol. Okay? They're also good for your nervous system with a great level of antioxidants, anti-cancer properties. Yan. Okay, now, Doc, makang talagang paganda ang usapin natin Sige, diretso pa natin ang usapan Ito na po. Yun yung mga pang-adults. At let me try to remind you, yung 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life, plus 5 anti-aging, plus everything incomplete were added up to finally come out with this great product that we call C24/7. Adult products. How about the kids? We have this Kiddie 24/7. Magugustuhan po nila, Nutragamis po ito para lang silang kumakain ng mga gummies. Or example, gummy bears po. Pero lahat ng gamit ito, natural. And look at the components. 14 vitamins and minerals with 26 fruits and vegetables. 2 higher compared to complete or C24/7 na may tig 12, 12 or 24 lang. Sabi nga, Dok, ba't mas mataas? Kasi nga, di ba, ibang bata hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay sa kaprutas? So, to compensate, tinaas po ng kumpanya natin yung components. So, Dok, the best. Talagang the best. Isa pang magandang produkto para sa mga bata for the brain, pampatalino, yung may choco. Sabi nga po, Doc, why? It contains docosahexaenoic acid or DHA. Now, pag sinabi niyo po DHA, sabi nga po, Doc, maganda sa memory, the best. The best of the best. Okay? Ano pa po, ang kagandahan po ng may choco natin bukod sa DHA. Pagsabayin ko na ngayon to, may choco sa Live Coffee. Both of them are alkaline-based. Pag sinabi niyo pong alkaline-based, safe po sa ating stomach. Both of them are herbal beverages. Why? Because 1/3 of the milligrams of complete with 16,000 phytonutrients were added to both Live Coffee and my choco. Great! Now, yung Live Coffee, world class. Bakit may coffee Arabica? Yung Live Coffee, nako, less caffeine, safe sa puso. At napakaraming flavors or variants. We have the original, cappuccino, latte, and of course, the so-called stevia or sugar-free na talagang paborito ko po. Sabi diba sa akin, Dok, ba't paborito mo yung sugar-free or stevia? Okay, let me try to explain why. Okay, number 1. May stevia. Natural. Walang asukal, may stevia kaya napakasarap. 300 times sweeter than sugar. Walang asukal, mas matamis kaya pwede sa mga diabetic. Maliwanag po. Hindi lang yon. May antibacterial properties. Can help normalize your blood pressure. Okay, at the same time, okay, can strengthen your bones because of calcium production with a great level of antioxidant, anti-cancer properties. Ang sarap po ng mga beverages ng empowered consumerism. Now, let's continue. Okay. Invite pa tayo. Share niyo po ito sa mga pages saka sa Facebook niyo. Okay? Para mas makita po nila yung kagandahan po ng ating mga produkto at ating company. If you have certain clients looking for whitening products, we have so many in our company. But for me, ito yung mga true mouth. Okay? Na talagang perfect combination. White light and perfect white. Ang white light po may L-glutathione. Okay? Shake the bottle, spray under your tongue, let the product stay there for 1 minute. It will enter the blood vessels, they will flow with the blood, and within minutes, they will enter the different cells of the body. Ganun kabilis. Let's talk about the functions. Number 1 will be the whitening effect. So, pwede kang, ang chance ko dito pwede kang pumuti. May chance kang pumuti. Sabi ba do? Okay yun But I would like to remind you, it's only one of the side effects. Yung whitening is only one of the side effects of glutathione. Sabi ba sa akin, Dok naman, yes. Alam niyo po, I've been a professor for 12 years. Nakapagturo rin po ako ng pharmacology, sa College of Nursing. Okay, no, ako po yung professor pa. And I was able to read there that one of the side effects of glutathione is the whitening effect. Kaya nga po madaling i-promote ang produkto natin, madaling ibenta. Kasi ang habol nila pumuti, side effects pala ng product natin. What are the functions of glutathione? Antioxidant, anti-cancer, detoxifier, not just for the liver but for the entire body. Wonderful. Ngayon, para perfect na yung pagputi natin talaga, samahan mo ng perfect white. It contains L-cysteine peptide that are needed to also create glutathione in the body. So, Dok, kailangan din, magiging glutathione din. Tama. Tama. Kaya nga yung whitening, antioxidant, anti-cancer, detoxifier, okay, ng liver sa kabuong katawan, ng white light, meron din ng perfect white. May bonus. Sabi ni Dok, anong bonus? May white. Sabi nga po, ito ay, aside from the whitening, meron pa siya tinatawag na astaxanthin. What is that? May anti-aging, anti-wrinkle properties. Hindi lang yon. May anti-UTI properties and again, antioxidant, anti-cancer pa. Perfect combination. Yan. Now, if there's another product aside from C Supreme, C24/7 that I would like all of you to take every day, that will be Colidus. As the word implies, cholesterol reducer. Kaya na yung Restore Life, Restore Your Life. Ito, cholesterol reducer. That contains omega supreme fatty acid again, good for the brain. So, Dok, okay din yan. May DHA ito. Tama. Okay? So, sabi nga po, Dok, in soft gel form, iniinom to during mealtime. One of those products that I will recommend for you to take during mealtime. Why? Since halos lahat tayo kumakain ng mga fried pork, beef, chicken, french fries, hamburger, fried. Madaming cholesterol yon. So, ang kagandahan yan, once the cholesterol, excess cholesterol, enters your intestines, this product with omega supreme fatty acid will pull the cholesterol out to your poops. So, number one, talagang it will help normalize the blood cholesterol. But at the same time, they will also help break down the fats to form energy. And even pregnant clients can take the product once a day. So, wonderful. Ngayon, tana. Nasa blood vessels tayo ha. We have two Vida products, the Vida Drink Mix and the Vida Max. Number one component is Resvida or trans-resveratrol. Dok, hindi yung laman ng Restore Life kanina. Tama po. So, number one effect, vasodilation. Look at the pictures of the blood vessels on the right screen. Okay? Ganito ho yan eh. Ang ibang kliyente pag may high blood, syempre may gamot na binibigay po pampababa ng blood pressure ang mga doktor. This product is a good supplement. Hindi po siya replacement, a supplement. You can add this product. Why? It will help dilate the blood vessels to help normalize the blood pressure. Next, ang ganda nun. Can also improve your metabolism, break down the fats to form energy, helps normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol, and, nako, meron pang bonus to, may lycopene. Ano yung lycopene? Antioxidant, anti-atherosclerosis. Yung picture po sa pinakakanan ng blood vessel na may kulay dilaw, yung atherosclerosis. So, ang gagawin ng produkto will help prevent it. Okay? In order to promote good flow of blood and in order to help normalize the blood pressure. Ganda! Okay, iniinom natin. Ang lamig pa. Ngayon po yung summer, lagyan mo ng yelo para makakontra rin po sa init ng summer. Ngayon, yung Vida Max naman, once a day. Again, with resveratrol na pag-usapan na natin. Ang bonus nito, may fruit flow. Ano yung fruit flow? It will help prevent abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels. So, pag na-prevent mo yon, yung abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels, medyo mag-isa lang muna ako, so let me remove this. Okay? Medyo, ang aking mga nurses po ay nagra-rounds na, so I can remove my face shield. Glasses muna ako. Yan, okay po. So, ang kagandahan naman ito, sabi nga po natin, Doc, okay ito ha. So, meron siyang tinatawag na fruit flow. Prevent abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels. Thus will help prevent heart attack and even stroke. Once a day of the product is more than good enough. Okay? Very good. Sabi na, wonderful yan, Doc. Ito pang isang matinding usapan. Meron tayong procedure. Cardiopulse ang pangalan. Okay? Ang function nito is for you to give an initial assessment if your blood vessels are functioning well. Initial assessment po ito ha. So, paano ang proseso? Ganito po yan. Kaklamp lang sa left index finger habang nakaupo po kayo comfortably in your chair or on your chair. Tapos po, it will run for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, may result na po. Pag type 1, very healthy ang blood vessels. Pag type 7, unhealthy. The beauty of this is that at the back of the results will be the recommendations on what specific food supplements will be best suited for you. Pero yun na nga lang po, I would like to clearly emphasize to all of you. Sa ngayon, hindi pa po natin pwedeng gamitin ang CardioPulse natin. Yung certificate nyo, tago nyo po muna. Why? Because of social distancing. Okay, so, but once this pandemic is done and over, pag nagdatingan na po yung mga vaccines natin, pag nagkaroon na po tayo ng herd immunity, gamitin nyo po agad to para malaman nyo po kung maganda po ang function ng blood vessels nyo. Clear? Okay, let's continue. What else? Eto na. Mga kailangang produkto natin ngayon, mga natural essential products. Deep Cleanse and Whitening Bar may Luminate. Ano po function nun? Pampaputi. May peppermint. Anti-aging, malamig sa katawan. Tapos po, yung bamboo charcoal ang kailangan talaga. Habang kayo pinaghuhugas ng kamay, let me remind you, don't be too complacent. Every now and then, wash your hands po. Hugas ng kamay. Okay po tayo doon. Aside from which, pag naghuhugas po ng kamay, maligo. Okay, ito na yung gamitin mo. Kasi pag ginamit mo yan, it will help remove the bacteria, viruses, fungi, toxins away from your skin. And that's what we're after. Hygiene ang pinag-uusapan ngayon. Maliwanag po. Now, pati na rin yung oral cavity. Hygiene din po. Pangalagaan natin yan. Doc, paano naman po ito? Ito may 5 herbs. Anong function po ng 5 herbs? Okay, ng ating pong herbal toothpaste. Ganito po yun. Klaruhin ko po sa inyo. Number 1, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Number 2, antioxidant. Number 3, will help repair the gums of the oral cavity. Number 4, mabango sa bibig. Okay, so may bonus. May complete na laman yan. That's why while you're brushing your teeth for approximately 5 minutes, the components of complete will enter the blood vessels in your mouth and they will circulate to your entire body. So what will be the end product? Whiter teeth, fresher breath, healthy mouth, and of course, healthy, strong body. Very good. Very nice. Okay? Now, sabi nga po, Doc, okay yun na. May toothpaste na tayo. Okay? Tapos, may mga wash pa. Alam niyo po yung wash natin, dalawa. May feminine saka masculine wash. Hindi pwedeng maghiraman ng mga mag-asawa. Bawal po. Feminine kay Mrs., masculine kay Mr. Klaro tayo dun ha. Maliwanag tayo ha. So, Doc, sige. Linawin natin. Okay? Paano po ba yun? Sisimplihan natin. Maligo, magsabon, magbanlaw. Ilagay po sa fingers po ninyo yung feminine wash. Kung ito po yung vagina, the opening at the center, it's being bounded by your major and minor lip. Lagyan niyo po ng feminine wash. Pati piling clitoris and even the anus. Let the product stay there for 2 minutes to increase the level of negative ions. And after 2 minutes, wash it out. So, Doc, what will be the advantages? Ito po ang advantages, pakinggan niyo po ito. Okay? Anti-UTI, antibacteria, antiviral, antifungal. Number 2 po, meron po siyang antihistamine, anti-allergy, anti-itchiness. Then, okay, ang isa pang maganda po dito, eto na, banggitin ko na, antioxidant, anti-cancer. Ang ganda ng produktong ito. Okay? Now, yung masculine wash is the same. Pang lalaki naman po. Tip ng penis, buong body or shaft, scrotum, yung covering po ng testicles, and again sa anus po. Patagalin din po ng 2 minutes, then wash it out. Now, ang tanong, how often should we apply the wash? Kung healthy ang penis or vagina, once a day lang. But if they're suffering from UTI or STD, sexually transmitted diseases, umaga at gabi po ang paggamit niyan. Maliwanag? Okay, what else? Game. These are the beauty products of the company. Okay, coffee scrub. Again, take a bath first. Pagkabanlaw, put a portion of the scrub on your palm and rub it gently on parts of the body na medyo tumataba. Chan, hita, puwet. Let the product stay there for 15 to 20 minutes to take effect. Number 1 function, will be contouring. Unti-unting binabalik po yung dating shape ng katawan. Number 2 will be exfoliants. They will remove the dead skin cells and will be replaced by newer ones. Sabi nga po to, okay na okay pala itong mga produktong ito. Naku naman. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, the best of the best products are in empowered consumerism. So, from neck downwards. Yung strawberry scrub naman that is from chest downwards. Yung strawberry scrub is from neck upwards. Coffee, chest downwards, strawberry, neck upwards. So, same principle. Maligo magsabon magbanlaw, maghilamos sa mukha, banlawan po, tapos po, scrub na po yan sa cheek, sa forehead, sa neck, elbow, knees, buttocks. Yun po yun. And, hugasan pagkatapos. May whitening components po ito. Yun ang advantage niya. That's why after using the product for certain weeks or months, unti-unti rin pong maglalighten up ang skin ninyo. Ganda. Now, for sun-exposed areas of the body, may instant white tayo. After taking a bath, so, syempre po, dry up your skin. Apply nyo na po yan. Again, sa mukha, wag lang tatamaan ng mata at bibig. Tapos po, liig, kamay, okay? Palad, pwede po yan. Ngayon, biglang puputi syempre, kaya nga instant white. But I would like to remind you, pagkaligo nyo po, it will go back to its normal color. Initially, the effect is temporary, but just like strawberry scrub, it has whitening components na habang ginagamit mo siya ng patagal, unti-unti rin pwedeng pumuti po ang balat natin. Great. Okay? Yung antioxidant facial toner, of course, will be for the face sa mga tagyawatin. Maglinis muna ng mukha. Shake the bottle. Apply sa cotton balls and apply gently on your face. Or put a portion of cotton balls and apply gently on your face in circular motion. Makikita mo talaga yung mga dumi, yung sa cotton balls mo, magdidikitan nyo yung mga itim-itim, yun yung mga dumi ng mukha. So, nape-prevent to, tumutulong mag-prevent ng tagyawat or mag-lessen ng acne formation. Ngayon, gusto ko yung mga yan. Pero one of my favorites will be the oxygen bar. Why? May liquid oxygen. They will be there to rejuvenate your skin cells. May dalawang klase ng whitening components, luminate and omega-lite. At it can also help stimulate your dermal fibroblast cell that will add strength to your skin. Sabi nga po nila, Dok, ang ganda naman ng mga produkto natin. You said it right. Game. Magpapayat na ang dapat magpapayat. Yeah, o magpapayat. Game. Isa pa. Coffee muna ako. Dali po. Pag mataba, prone ka mag-high blood, hypertension, heart attack, stroke, or even diabetes. Pag may ibang sakit tapos tinamaan ng COVID, mas delikado. Baka tamaan ka ng moderate, severe, or critical condition. Kung kayo po'y healthy at tinamaan ka ng COVID, sana wag. Pero na-expose ka, what if? Malamang asymptomatic or mild case ka lang. Okay, Doc. Ano dapat gawin? Majority of the components of the Burn Slim are also added to the other burn products. Take Burn Slim 30 minutes before mealtime. Number one thing that will happen, the fats that you have eaten will not be absorbed. It will just be defecated. Pupupo mo lang. Pangalawa, exercise. Kung hindi mo kaya everyday at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes per exercise. Prolonged exercise will break down the fats and sugar faster and at the same time. Good. Mawala ka ng appetite. Yun ang importante. Okay? It can lower down your appetite or decrease your appetite. Wonderful na naman. Ano pa, Dok, ang kailangan pag-usapan po dito? Ito pa yan. Burn Slim tayo, Drink lots of water pag uminom kayo ng food supplements. 8 to 12 glasses, especially this summer. So, ang end product nito, it will break down the fats in your cells, in your liver, and of course, inside your body. The best. Burn Shake is a replacement meal. Okay, it only contains 111 calories. Pamalit sa isang kain, like breakfast, for example. Tanggalin mo yung breakfast mo, yung normal breakfast, at tanggalin mo yung breakfast. Ilagay po sa tumbler, shake mabuti, cookies and cream flavor. Inumin ng dahan-dahan, 111 calories lang. Kung kayo medyo bitin, sama mo naman sanas. It only contains 90 calories. So, 111 plus 90, 201. So, parang walang butal, 200. Ang isang meal natin sa napag-aralan ko po is 700 calories pinaltan mo ng 200. So, ang total loss mo doon, 500 calories. If that will be the case, you're bound to lose 1 pound per week, 4 pounds in 1 month, and 48 pounds perfect in 1 year. Ganda niyan. Ngayon, yung Live Coffee natin kanina, di ba? Coffee Arabica, world-class coffee, alkaline, may 1/3 ng complete. Nandiyan din sa Live Coffee Burn. At the same time, pwede ka pang mag-lose ng weight. Good. At yung Mati Iced Tea, napakasarap nito na again, may antioxidant, may antibacterial, and at the same time, pwede ka rin mag-lose ng weight. So how do we take the Burn products? Burn shake sa umaga, breakfast. 10 o'clock in the morning, Live Coffee Burn. 30 minutes bago mag-lunch, Burn Slim. At pag mainit na po, mga bandang 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you go for the Mati Iced Tea. Think positive, exercise, diet, drink lots of water, and I will assure you, you're bound to lose weight. Perfect. Game! Eto na. Eye Protect 24/7. And of course, the Eye Protect Home. Sabi nga po nila sa akin, Doc, maganda itong produktong ito. Tama po. Yung Eye Protect 24/7 po, meron po siyang tinatawag na chlorine dioxide. Let me repeat the words ha. Chlorine dioxide. Okay? Ito po yan eh. Okay? Oops, nag-entangle po. Okay? Ito yon. This one. There you go. Kaya, may chlorine dioxide po ito. Hindi ba karang sa swimming pool, di ba may chlorine? Same. Okay, nilagay po dito yon. Ang function niya, mga bacteria, virus, fungi, pag na-expose sa chlorine, patay. So, nilagay po dito. Why? To give you a green zone protection of chlorine dioxide, 6 feet radius surrounding and protecting us against airborne diseases. Sabi nga po, Dok, di ba si COVID droplets? Tama. Ito airborne, tama rin. Kasi hindi na naman COVID ang kalaban natin. Yung mga airborne, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, flu virus. So if you will be wearing this example, parang kanina po, when I was driving my car, ang dami kong nakita. Nako, may face shield nandito. Yung face mask ko, nilagyan ko na nga po sa loob ng protection ng ano pa eh, para medyo may konting space. Nandito yung face mask. So, useless. What if biglang umubo yun? If that person will suddenly cough or sneeze, okay? Tapos hindi ka naman properly protected kasi nga po mali yung pagkakasuot mo, di ba? So, ano mangyayari po sa atin? Once the microorganisms, okay, may sneeze or ma-cough out, they will travel towards you. It will travel towards you. If you're wearing the Eye Protect 24/7, once it enters the green zone, they will disintegrate within several seconds. Yun ang maganda. Now, you might ask me, Doctor, I'm taking food supplements. Meron akong C Supreme, C24/7, Colidus. Umiinom pa ako ng Ultra H2. Good internal protection. Very good. Ito, external protection. Sabi niya, yes, yun. Sabi ni Rowena, yes. External protection. So, as a doctor, the more protection we have right now, the better for our body. But still, dapat face shield, face mask pa rin. Eye Protect 24/7. Kung may Eye Protect home ka, sa kwarto naman po yan, sa kotse nyo, para patay din ang mga mikrobyo. 1 month papalitan po yun after 1 month Now, yung energy diffuser, eto ho yun. Let me show to you. Okay? Ito yan. Ito yung casing ng aking cellphone. Yung cellphone ko kasi ngayon, ginagamit ko para makita ko yung mga comments nyo. Energy diffuser, energy pendant. Okay po? Klaro tayo Unahin ko ang pendant. Okay? Pag suot mo to, it will boost your chi. Your inner energy. Why? To speed up your metabolism and strengthen your immune system. But, Dok, ang ganda nun. Hindi lang yon. Once you improve your chi, it will also strengthen your aural field or your chakra. Anti-radiation. Sabi nga po sa inyo, ang anti-radiation effect po ng ating energy pendant is also lifetime. Now, for your gadgets or appliances like your cell phones, lagyan nyo ng energy diffuser. Alam nyo, marami na pong studies na ginawa ang ating mga leaders. They bought an electromagnetic frequency device to monitor the amount of radiation ng kanilang mga gadgets, appliances. True enough, ang taas, nag-i-spike yung radiation. But when they place the diffuser, it went down to 0. Uy, natanggal. Don't worry. Stick it back on. Bakit? Lifetime po ang anti-radiation ng ating energy diffuser. Perfect. If ever you will suffer from muscle pain, like yung mga pajackers natin, yung mga nagbibisikleta, nagmamotor, even yung mga nagdadrive, okay? I'm sure lahat naman tayo nagkaroon na ng muscle pain. Gamitin mo to. Kasi, alam niyo po, maraming mga pain relievers like mefenamic acid, ibuprofen, celecoxib, meloxicam, diclofenac sodium, diclofenac potassium, naproxen sodium. They're good. Pain relievers, very good. Kung may prescription po ng mga doktor. Yan na. Okay, Why? Pag inabuso nyo yan, nang walang guidance ng mga doktor, delikado. Sabi na, Dok, bakit po? They can damage your kidneys and may lead to ulcerations of the stomach, and that will not be good for us. Are we clear? So, Doc, anong kailangan gawin? Go for natural means. Meron tayong Cureleaf Thermal Relief Patch with 9 components. Take a bath first, dry up your skin, and apply the patch evenly on parts of your body suffering from muscle pain. Pagkalagay mo yan, soothing heat relief. Wow, ang sarap sa katawan. They will relax the muscle. They will dilate the blood vessels so that the swelling from the surrounding will go inside. Bawas ka agad yung swelling. Yung pain, mga 1 hour, bawas. Sometimes it will take you 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours bago totally mawala yung pain, depending on the person suffering from muscle pain at yung severity po ng muscle pain. Sabi na, Doc, hanggang gaano katagal tumatagal to? Paano kung yung pain nag-persist beyond 24 hours? Tumatagal po yung patch hanggang 48 hours. Ganun katagal. And my simple request is that, kung tumagal po ng 48 hours at kayo pinaliligo na, tanggalin na po ng dahan-dahan yung patch to avoid irritations of the skin. Okay? Next. Nako. High-end products of the company that contains this great molecular hydrogen. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, molecular hydrogen, UH2, Ultra H2. Unahin ko na yung Ultra H2. It's either you can inhale the product or drink the water straight para mas maganda. Okay, pwede rin po. Ngayon, ang hydrogen, smallest atom, H2 is the smallest molecule that can even penetrate not just the cell but also the nucleus and even the mitochondria. Perfect na naman to. O sige, ganito ho yan Pakinggan niyo mabuti po. Once, alam niyo may nauna sa atin Ang lalaki ng mga produkto nila, ganitong kalalaki. Hundreds of thousands po ang presyo. 100,000, 200,000. Pero ang molecular hydrogen parts per billion, nagre-range lang 100 to 200. Sa atin, kasi laki lang ng tumbler. I'm sorry, pero yung tumbler ko kasi yung aking Ultra H2 sa bahay Okay, pero yung mga laman po nito, Ultra H2, nilagay ko dito. And I need to consume this within several hours po. Okay? More than 1,500 po ang parts per billion. Ang daming laman yan. So sabi na, Doc, ano mangyayari? Once the molecular hydrogen goes inside and encounters different kinds of free radicals, they will bind with it. And they will neutralize the free radicals right there and then. Galing. The best. Kaya nga ang tawag dito super antioxidant. And when this product was launched years ago, already with more than 800 human clinical studies. And the brains behind is a combination of South Korea and even Japan. Grabe, Ngayon, yung UUH2 will be for your face. Sa skin. Sabi na, Doc, hindi ba ang water cannot penetrate the pores of the skin? Yes, according to anatomy and physiology. Hindi kakasya sa mga pores yan. But if you will convert the water to become a molecular hydrogen water, okay, sandali lang po is pwede mo itutok doon para, tutok mo lang doon. Sige, tutok mo pa. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, where am I? Okay. Pero pag ginawa siyang molecular hydrogen water, sobrang kaliitan, because of the minuteness of the particles, they can now penetrate the pores of the skin and remove the impurities. Kaya yung skin mo ngayon, mas magiging healthy. Sa dulo po may metallic gauze, gamitin nyo po. I-apply nyo po sa mukha nyo in upward motion para magkaroon ng lifting effect. Pati po sa mga may fine lines and wrinkles, gamitin nyo po para mabawasan yan. And they will also promote good flow of blood that contains oxygen and nutrients. Mas healthy ngayon yung skin mo. Hindi lang yon. Collagen synthesis to add strength to your skin. May anti-aging that can also brighten up or lighten up your skin. Ang galing talaga nito. Okay? And of course, we have this great product that is only meant for our lady clients. Inuulit ko po, pambabae lang po ito. Kaya dalawang produkto po natin yung talagang pambabae lang. The Feminine Wash and the Angel E. Hindi po siya vitamin E, hindi din po ito estrogen. It contains estrogen 100 that will try to mimic, kopyahin po, yung wonderful effects of estrogen to the female body. It also contains astaxanthin and beeswax. Look at the powerful antioxidant properties of this product. Ang tindi. May mega anti-aging properties, may skin whitening, collagen peptides to add strength to your skin. And ladies, if you're suffering from dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, use the product. Ang ganda po, according to our clients. And if you are already in the stage of menopause, mga late 50s usually, or minsan nga po early 50s, nagme-menopause na po. Alam niyo pag menopause, mood swings, energy swings, hot flashes, vaginal dryness. Alam niyo, yung vaginal dryness pag mga late 50s can really affect the sexual relationship between the husband and wife. At meron po tayong naging distributor. Testimony po niya to eh. Talagang medyo nagva-vaginal dryness na po siya. Kaya yung kanilang relationship sexual relationship ng husband niya, medyo pumapangit na. But when she started using the product Angel E, nag-improve po ulit because why? Nag-vaginal wetness po ulit siya. And for us, that will be good. Once a day of the product is more than good enough. And my dear empowered leaders, these are the wonderful products of empowered consumerism. Yan! Ganda, no? Great! Sabi nga po, Dok, napakaganda. Pero just like what I've mentioned earlier, hindi lang po magandang produkto ang pinag-uusapan sa empowered consumerism. We're also talking about the wonderful opportunity, the business part of this. Kaya nga empowered consumerism, hindi ka lang magiging consumer dito. You will become an entrepreneur. In these times of pandemic, kailangan talagang meron ka ibang source of income for your loved ones. And of course, ang mag-i-explain po nun is of course my brother from the training team, one of the international trainers of the company, and galing-galing lang po niya ng Nigeria. Yun po yung kanyang pinuntahang lugar na pinuntahan ko rin po before. Okay? And sabi nga po sa inyo, ito yung nanlilimay sa kagwapuhan. Hindi, biro lang. Kami po kasi, kaya ko lagi binibiro yan. Kasi nga po, pares kami ng school na pinanggalingan. I graduated medicine in MCU at siya naman po medical technology po. Okay, so same institution, pero napakasipag, napakabait na asawa, magaling na tatay, okay? And napakagaling po na trainer. So para po ma-explain po sa inyo, paano ba natin gagawin yung business natin, let me try to call my brother from the training team, one of the international trainers, Mr. Christian Enrile. Yo, pare.
Grabe, ang ganda naman ng introduction mo, Dok, sa basta yung napakagandang lalaki na
nanlilimay sa kagwapuhan, pare.
Grabe. Anyway, Doc, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, brother. See you again, bro.
Thank you, Doc. Yo. Nagulat ako doon pero thank you so much, Doc, for that wonderful introduction, and syempre napakaganda rin po ng kanyang presentation ng products. Siya na po ang pinaka-perfect na tao na pwedeng mag-present ng ating produkto ng empowered consumerism. Kaya mga kaibigan, if you find the products amazing, please, I want you to type in the comment section below, amazing! Pakisulat naman, amazing products, or kaya amazing lang. If you find the products amazing, type in the comment section below, amazing. Kasi para sa akin, mga kaibigan, talagang ang lupit talaga na ating produkto. Produkto pa lang po, wag na natin pag-usapan muna ang negosyo. Panalong-panalo ka na. How much more pagka pag-uusapan pa natin ang negosyo? Bakit? Kasi behind those products, just like what Dr. Butch said a while ago, behind those products, meron po tayong tinatawag na negosyo. Nasa part ko naman, yun naman po ang i-discuss ko sa inyo. Kaya I believe sa mga nanonood po dito na for the first time watching us, yung mga na-invite na manood ng presentation ngayon, I believe na ito lang po kaya ko sabihin. Nanonood po kayo ngayon, first time, some of you may have no idea kung anong pinapanood ninyo because malamang yung iba, sinend lang yung link, tapos bigla kayo nanood. Pero ito lang po kayo sabihin sa inyo. This is an opportunity na hindi nyo pwedeng palampasin. Kaya, if you may have heard of empowered consumerism or network marketing sa labas before, ito lang po pakiusap ko. For the next 45 minutes, I just want you to open your minds. Kalimutan nyo muna yung mga narinig ninyo sa labas about network marketing, multi-level marketing, empowered consumerism. Ang gusto ko lang po ngayon pakiusap sa inyo, total nanonood na rin po kayo. Just keep an open mind. Open your minds because what I'm about to present to you, ladies and gentlemen, will definitely blow your minds. Malamang itong sistema na to hindi nyo pa talaga naririnig. And that is why, ang sinasabi ko po sa inyo ngayon, to open your minds. By the way, no, bukod sa Facebook, like I said, sa mga kakatunin pa lang ngayon, bukod sa Facebook page na live tayo, simultaneous po binabroadcast to sa ating YouTube channel, Empowered Consumerism TV. So sa mga hindi alam na meron tayong YouTube channel, papakita ko lang po. Yan po ang ating channel. So all you have to do is click subscribe kasi lahat para ma-update po kayo sa mga latest videos and updates. Bukod sa Facebook page, meron din po tayong YouTube channel. So I encourage each and every one of you to please click subscribe para ma-update po kayo sa mga na-upload po na videos na Empowered Consumerism. All right. Now, let me share my screen first. Okay. Yan. Hinaan ko muna tong cellphone ko. Yan. So again, sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, by the way, my name is Christian Enrile. I'm one of your training specialists po, part of the training team po ng Empowered Consumerism. Also part of the international trainers ng Empowered Consumerism, particularly dun po sa Nigeria. I was assigned there last year. Kadarating ko lang po last November. And I'm actually enjoying my stay here in the Philippines kasi, syempre, bukod sa ginagawa mo ng atong negosyong to, kasama mo pa yung pamilya mo. Kaya napakasarap ng pakiramdam. Parang hindi ka talaga nagtatrabaho. Tama? So, yun nga po, ang dinidiscuss ko po dito, didiscuss ko po ngayon is yung marketing plan naman, yung business side po ng Empowered Consumerism. Napakaganda ng produkto. Pero bukod sa napakaganda nating produkto, like I said earlier, meron po negosyo dito. Pero before ko po i-discuss yung negosyo ng Empowered Consumerism, meron lang po kung gusto ipa-realize sa inyo or siguro gusto kong itanong sa inyo. Hindi niyo po ba napapansin mga kaibigan na like 20 years or 30 years ago, ang mindset ng mga tao, kung sino lang yung may perang pang-kapital, pang-negosyo, yun lang may chance na kumita ng napakalaki. Lahat naman tayo dito, mga kaibigan, lahat tayo na kumikita, empleyado, negosyante, alam naman po natin lahat na kung gusto mong kumita ng pagkalaki-laki, ang pinakamagandang paraan dyan is through business. Tama po ba? Traditional business. However, 20 years or more than 20 years ago, ang mindset ng karamihan, paano ko makakapag-negosyo, kahit na alam mo na dun yung kitaan talaga na malaki, paano ko makakapag-negosyo kung wala ka namang pangkapital, wala ka namang investment. Tama po ba? Kaya, ang mindset dati, kung sino lang yung may pera, kung sino lang yung may pangnegosyo, yun lang talagang kumikita ng pera. Now, kung pinanganak ka na walang kita, pinanganak ka na walang pangnegosyo, pangkapital, wala kang choice but to work, to work for someone else. Bakit? May mga kailangan tayong buhayin na pamilya eh. Kahit na gusto natin magnegosyo, hindi natin kaya, wala tayong pera eh. So, ang pinaka-choice natin, magtrabaho na lang po. Tama po ba? Pero kung napapansin nyo, recently, lately, bakit kahit na walang pera yung mga tao? I'm not just talking about network marketing or empowered consumerism. Ito po sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay. Kahit wala kang pera, kahit wala kang pangnegosyo, meron ka ng pagkakataon ngayon na kumita ng pera. Ang dami na mga kaibigan. Like, example, si Mimiya. Kilala ba si Mimiya? Ito, madalas kong gawing example to. Walang kapera-pera yan nagsimula. Pero bakit ngayon, ang ganda na ng bahay, may kotse na, may swimming pool pa, ang laki-laki ng kinikita. Yung mga gamers natin, like ako si Doggy na wala namang kapera-pera dati, pero bakit ngayon, may mansyon. Bakit ang daming kotse? Bakit sila kumikita? Wala naman silang pangkapital. Hindi niyo po ba naisip yun? Napakaraming tao ngayon, kumikita ng pera, and yet wala naman silang pangnegosyo. So isa lang po ibig sabihin yan. Meron po kasi silang alam na sistema na hindi po alam ng karamihan ng tao. Unfortunately, hindi alam ng karamihan ng tao. Itong sistema na to, luckily, ina-apply po dito sa empowered consumerism. Kaya nga po in just 15 years time, by the way, no? Happy anniversary sa ating 15th anniversary sa ating company, Empowered Consumerism, which just celebrated last week, no? So lahat po sa atin, mga ka-EC natin, happy anniversary, 15th anniversary. Let's all celebrate, no? Dahil talagang this is a milestone. 15 years na we've been creating millionaires. Okay? Now, so mga first-timers, baka maano kayo, baka mawindang kayo sa milyonaryo. Ang daming na-create na milyonaryo. Ito lang po gusto ko sabihin. This may sound too good to be true, pero siguro ang pwede kong i-offer na lang po sa inyo is itong opportunity na to will help you earn even more than what you're earning right now. Makakatulong po ito. Okay? Tsaka na natin pag-usapan yung we have, kasi malamang in the coming days na atin kayo na trainees, you may be hearing some speakers or trainers na sinasabi na we've been here for 15 years and we have created more than 10,000 self-made millionaires all over the world. Kasi ang empowered consumerism is not just here in the Philippines, but we are located in more than 20 countries worldwide. Ganun po kalaki ang empowered consumerism, ganun po ka-stable ang ating company. So, ang point ko dito, yung company natin, yung empowered consumerism, ina-apply din po yung sistema na ginagawa ng karamihan ng mga tao na kumikita kahit wala namang pang-negosyo, wala namang pong kapital. And ito mga kaibigan, na-explain ko po sa inyo ngayon. Yan. So, okay. How does it work? Bakit compared 20 or 30 years ago, yung mga tao ngayon, merong sistema na pwede silang kumita kahit na walang pang-negosyo? Kasi kung kayo interesado, di ba? Ito, tatanong ko sa inyo, sa mga especially sa mga first-timers, if you are interested to know, please type in the comment section below. I am interested. Yan, sige nga, tingnan natin. Kasi nanonood kayo, malamang yung tao nag-invite sa inyo, sinabihan ng gusto mong kumita ng, kahit extra lang na pagka wala kang ginagawa, pwede mong gawin to sa bahay, and at the same time, kikita ka ng income. So malamang kayo, interesado kayo, bakit ang dami ditong kumikita? So, if you guys are interested, please, I want you to type in the comment section below, I am interested. Yan, ang dami na nagko-comment, oh. Yan. So, sabi nga dito, how does it work? Bakit ngayon, may sistema na para kumita ka ng pera kahit na wala kang kapital? Ganito po kasi yan. Baka sabihin nyo kasi, unfair ako. Baka sabihin nyo, part naman kasi ng management yan si Christian, Kaya syempre, lahat ng sasabihin yan maganda about empowered consumerism. Hindi po mga kaibigan, ito mo ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, ngayong itong slide na to, hindi lang po pang empowered consumerism, but sa lahat. Just like hotel industry, transportation industry, media advertisement industry, application industry, tsaka retail industry. Para hindi naman nyo isipin na bias ako, di ba? Na para hindi nyo naman isipin na unfair po ako. Bakit? Kasi, the reason it was called the old pipeline system, because more than 20 to 30 years ago, or even 40 years ago, yung mindset nga nila, kung sino lang yung may pera, yun lang kikita. Tama? Kaya it's called the old pipeline system. Kung sino lang yung mga may pera, yun lang kikita. Pag wala kang pera, you will end up dun sa dead end. Kaya pipeline. Okay? Dead end po yun. Wala kang chance para kumita ng pera. Just like dito sa hotel industry. Yung dati, sa old pipeline system, kung sino lang yung mga may perang pampatayo ng hotel, yun lang po kikita ng pera. Tama po ba? Kung wala kang mapatayo ng hotel, you will just end up being a traveler na mag-check-in ka lang, na magbabayad ka pa. Ito tanong ko sa iyo, pagka ikaw ba, traveler, ikaw nag-check-in, meron ka bang chance na kumita ng kasing laki ng kinikita ng mga may-ari ng hotel? Wala po. Tama? That's why it's called the old pipeline system. Ganon din po sa transportation industry. Halimbawa, dati, ang mga tao lang na pwedeng kumita sa transportation industry, yung mga taxi operators wherein marami silang perang pambili ng mga taxi units. Kung wala kang perang pambili ng napakaraming taxi units, wala kang choice. Magiging pasahero ka lang. Ikaw yung mga tipong papara, gano'n, magbabayad ng pamasahe sa taxi. Pero pag ikaw pasahero, may chance ka bang kumita katulad ng mga taxi operators? Wala rin po. Bakit? Kasi old pipeline system po yung ina-apply. Same thing with media advertisement and application industry. Sa media advertisement or industry, dati, ang ginagawa mo lang, yung Facebook natin, yung YouTube, yung Instagram, is just, yun po, source lang po ng entertainment po. Tama po ba? Parang, wala ka naman chance na kumita ng pera pag nag-Facebook ka dati, tama? Or nag-YouTube. Pero ngayon, iba na po. Pero dati, yung old pipeline system, wala kang chance. Ito, retail industry. I want to focus more on retail industry because this is where empowered consumerism belongs. Yung retail industry, Ganito po yun. May mga kumpanya, magbabanggit lang po ako ng mga kumpanya para magkaroon kayo ng idea, like Unilever, Procter & Gamble, Colgate, Palmolive. So, gawin natin example na lang po ang toothpaste. Sabihin natin, 30 years old ka kunwari ngayon. Alright? So, tanong ko sa'yo, in the old pipeline system, 30 years ka nang gumagamit ng toothpaste. Tanong, meron ka bang tsansa na kumita? Nagkaroon ka ba ng tsansa na kumita ng like 1,000 pesos sa kakagamit ng toothpaste? Sa kakagamit ng brand ng mga manufacturers natin sa retail industry? Nagkaroon ka ba ng tsansa kumita ng 5,000 pesos dahil lang sa kakagamit mo ng produkto nila? Halimbawa, yung kape nila, kape ka ng kape. For 30 years or for 40 years ka na umiinom ng kape, nagkaroon ka ba ng tsansa na kumita ng 1,000, 2,000, or 5,000, or 10,000? Kasi mahilig kang uminom ng kape? Di ba wala po? Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi ganun po yung old pipeline system. Kung sino lang po yung mga may perang pwedeng maging manufacturer ng mga produkto na yun, sila na yung kumikita, sila lang po nag-e-enjoy ng kumita. Pero kung wala kang income para maging isang manufacturer, you will just end up being a consumer. Tagagamit ka lang po ng produkto. And unfortunately, pagka ikaw, consumer ka lang in the old pipeline system, wala kayong chansang kumita katulad ng mga manufacturers na binanggit ko. Tama po ba? Now, the reason marami pong kumikita ngayon kahit walang mga kapital, kahit walang pera, because hindi na po nila ina-apply old pipeline system. What most people don't realize ngayong mga panahon na to is meron na po sistemang ginagamit yung mga kumikita ng malalaki ngayon. Unfortunately, hindi po alam ng karamihan. Ang tawag po doon is yung tinatawag na New Shared Economy System and Connected Economy System. Ano po yun? Dito sa New Shared Economy System, if you want to earn, hindi mo kailangan ng kapital. Una-una sa lahat, hindi mo kailangan ng kapital. Alam mo kailangan? Maghahanap lang po kayo ng tinatawag na business platform. Ko-connect lang po kayo dun sa business platform na yun. So, mga kaibigan, if you're watching me or if you're listening to me, kung talaga nagpe-pay attention kayo, please, I want you to type in the comment section below, business platform. Yan, sige nga, tingnan natin. I want you to type in the comment section below, business platform. Kasi napaka-importante po itong dalawang words na to, business platform. Itong kailangan mong kunin or hanapin, kailangan mo hanapin para makapag-connect ka. Kasi once na makapag-connect ka dito sa business platform na to, itong business platform na to will be the ones to share the opportunity sa maraming tao. That's why it's called New Shared Economy System and the Connected Economy System. Kasi first of all, ko-connect ka sa business platform. And yung business platform na yon will be the one to share the opportunity. Alright? Pagka in-apply mo tong platform na to or in-apply mo tong sistema na to, meron ka ng chance ang kumita ng malaki without, kahit na wala kang capital or investment. Ito na po yung sistemang ginagamit ng karamihan ngayon. Example, sa hotel industry. Like I said, sa old pipeline system, yung mga kumikita lang ng pera, yung mga hotel owners. Tama? Pero ngayon, with the new shared economy system, you don't need to be a hotel owner para kumita dito sa hotel industry. Let's say, for example, meron kang isang condominium unit na hindi mo masyadong ginagamit and gusto mong kumita doon. Gusto mong kumita sa condominium unit mo or meron kang isang apartment na hindi mo ginagamit, gusto mong pagkakitaan yon. All you need to do is to register in a business platform. Magre-register ka doon sa mga business platforms dito sa hotel industry such as yung Rentalbee, Klook, Oyo, or Airbnb. So, mas sikat po dito yung tinatawag nating Airbnb. So, gawin nating example na, for example, ikaw, meron kang condominium na hindi mo ginagamit. Condominium lang, hindi mo kailangan ng hotel. Alam mo ba na pwede kang kumita sa isang condominium unit lang? Ang gagawin mo lang, yung unit mo na yon, i-register mo dito sa, for example, sa Airbnb. Once na connect ka dito sa business platform na to, sila po mag-share ng opportunity sa mga tao, sa mga clients, sa mga customers. Paano yun? Ganito yun. Ako na lang, may-ari ng condominium unit. Gusto kong kumita. So yung condominium unit ko, i-connect ko, ni-register ko sa Airbnb. So pag merong, nakakonect na ako sa Airbnb, pag merong mga client na, for example, yung condominium unit ko is nasa Quezon City, merong isang client na naghahanap ng condominium na pwede niyang tirahan for 1 month sa Quezon City. Mag-search siya ngayon sa Airbnb. And dahil yung condominium unit ko malapit sa Quezon City, yun po yung isa sa mga unang makikita niya. And pagka naging interesado siya doon sa nakita niyang unit ko, ako po ang kukontakin niya. Mag-uusap kami, magta-transact kami, and pagka naging ayos ang transaction, siya ang magbabayad sa akin. Ako po ang kikita. All I did was to connect to this business platform, and yung business platform na yun was the one who shared the opportunity. Tawag po dyan, connected and shared economy system. Sa transportation industry, ganun din po. Malamang mas makaka-relate po kayo dito. Dati, kailangan mo maging taxi operator. Pero ngayon, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng napakaraming taxi. Halimbawa, may personal ka lang na kotse na hindi mo ginagamit every weekend. Gusto mong kumita every weekend. Ang gagawin mo lang is i-connect mo lang, i-register mo lang yung kotse mo dun sa mga business platforms na to, like yung Uber and yung Grab. And say, let's say, for example, yung Grab, kinonect mo yung kotse mo doon, ni-register mo, Saturday and Sunday, pwede kang kumita. Bakit? Kasi yung Grab, isi-share niya opportunity sa napakaraming pasahero. Halimbawa, sa Quezon City nga po, merong pasahero na naghahanap ng Grab. Nandudun ka malapit sa Quezon City. Pagka nakita ng pasahero yun yung una i-detect ng application, ng Grab, ng business platform na to. Pupunta ka sa pasahero, pag naihatid mo siya doon sa destination, sinong kikita? Siyempre, ikaw. Tama po ba? That's what you call the new shared economy system. Same thing with media advertisement industry. Dati, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, wala kang kikitain dyan. Pero ngayon, alam niyo po ba na ito, especially during this time of crisis, isa po ito sa mga talagang pinagkakakitaan na napakaraming tao. Yung mga vloggers natin, yung mga video streamers natin, mga streamers po natin, milyon ang kinikita. Dati wala naman to eh. Pero yung talent nila, halimbawa, magaling ka mag-vlog, all you need to do is to connect to these business platforms like yung YouTube at saka Facebook and Instagram. And pagka maraming nanood, syempre itong mga to, ang mag-share ng video mo, maraming nanood, sino kikita? Di ba ikaw? Tawag po doon, the new shared economy system. Ngayon, let's focus dito sa empowered consumerism. Bakit tayo maraming na-create ng mga tao na nagbago ang buhay, na kumita ng malaki? It's simply because we apply the shared economy system. Sabi ko nga dati, kung ikaw nagkakape, nagtutoothpaste, ang tagal mo nang ginamit yan for how many years, hindi ka naman kumita. Pero alam niyo po ba, pag ikaw nag-connect sa business platform ng empowered consumerism, kahit na consumer ka lang, kahit na nagtutoothpaste ka lang, kahit nagkakape ka lang, you will now have a chance to earn like an entrepreneur, like a businessman. Alam niyo po ba yon? And itong good news, hindi niyo po kailangan ng kapital. Wala pong registration. Sabi nga dito mga kaibigan, yung ating empowered consumerism business platform lifestyle, making ordinary consumers become empowered by sharing them the economy of a tested and proven system and platform. Paano ba gawin yan? Bakit ang daming kumikita sa empowered consumerism? Sabi nga dito, pag nag-empowered consumerism ka, yung liabilities mo magiging asset. Yung consumables mo magiging profit. Yung expenses mo pwedeng maging income potential, and yung necessities mo will become an opportunity. Ang gagawin mo lang, ito, unang yung gagawin, malamang kayo, interesado na, di ba? Parang, sige na nga, ano ba yan? Mukhang naging interesado ako, hindi ko alam yung new shared economy system na yan. Ganyan palang ginagawa nila sistema eh. Ngayon sa empowered consumerism, hindi kailangan ng kapital, magagawa ko yung sistema na yan. Paano? Paano gagawin? Please tell me, gusto kong kumita na extra. And sabi pa nung nagtaong nag-invite sa akin, pwede kong gawin to kahit na nasa bahay lang ako. Paano yan? Interesado akong gawin. Eto na. Ang gagawin niyo po, first step, mag-shift lang po kayo kung ano man yung brand na gamit nyo ngayon into our brand. Alright? So kung ang kape nyo dati is ganito, mag-shift po kayo sa kape namin, sa coffee namin. Kung ang vitamin C ninyo ganito, mag-shift po kayo sa ating C Supreme. Kung ang vitamin C ninyo ganito, mag-shift kayo sa C24/7 or sa Complete. Alright? Kung ang toothpaste nyo ganito, sa brand namin, lahat po na meron kami, mag-shift lang po kayo sa ating brand. E nakita nyo naman po kung gaano kaganda ang ating produkto. Hindi na kayo magdadalawang isip na lumipat pa or mag-shift sa ating produkto. Alright, so sabihin natin, yun lang palang gagawin eh. Mag-shift lang pala sa produkto nyo. Ang ganda-ganda ng produkto nyo. Sige, game. Tapos yan. Tapos usapan dyan. Mag-shift ako sa produkto nyo. Anong susunod na gagawin? Ito na po. Makinig mabuti. Once na mag-shift na kayo sa aming brand, the next thing you will do, ladies and gentlemen, is mag-shopping. Just to shop. Alright? Please type in the comment section below, shop. Yan, kung nakikinig kayo, para hindi kayo malito. Type in the comment section below, shop. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, mag-shopping. Okay? Mag-shop lang po kayo ng mamimili kayo dito sa aming mga new Supreme Easy Product Package. So, 3 po yan. Either A, B, or C. Mamimili po kayo. Isang presyo lang po yan. 8,999 pesos. Alright? Mamimili kayo kung ano dyan. So, magsha-shopping lang kayo worth 8,999. And you might say, teka lang. Akala ko ba walang kapital? Akala ko ba walang investment? Bakit meron kaming babayaran na 8,999? Akala ko ba walang registration yan? Totoo po mga kaibigan. Kaya nga gusto kong bigyan ng emphasis yung word na shop. Kasi magsha-shopping ka lang naman. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi even if you don't do empowered consumerism, magsha-shopping ka pa rin naman every week eh. Tama? Magsha-shopping ka bakit? Yung mga binibili mo, necessities. Kung mahilig ka magkape, no choice ka, bibili ka ng kape. Bibili ka ng toothpaste, bibili ka ng mga vitamins, bibili ka ng mga sabon. Ang gagawin mo mga kaibigan, mag-shift ka lang sa amin. Gumagastos ka pa rin naman every week, pero mag-shift ka lang sa amin. And hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na registration po ito or investment. Alam niyo kung bakit? Wala po kaming registration because yung aming product package is worth 8,999 pero ang totoong halaga po niyan is ranging from 11,000 to 14,000 pesos. Ang registration, para maintindihan nyo, halimbawa, meron kaming in-offer na package worth 8,999. Ang laman po nun, nasa 6,000 lang po. So, ibig sabihin, yung 2,999, yun po yung registration. So, how can you call na meron po kaming registration where in fact, yung produkto na bibili nyo is ranging from 11,000 to 14,000 pesos pero ang nilabas nyo lang is 8,999. Ang ginawa nyo lang po talaga mga kaibigan para ma-realize nyo yung ginawa nyo, nag-shop lang po kayo, pinilitan nyo lang yung produkto, nag-shopping kayo, worth 8,999 hindi po kayo lugi dahil sa sobrang ganda ng produkto. At saka like I said nga, yung original price po niya nasa 11,000 to 14,000 depending po doon sa package na binili ninyo. Tama? And ang good news yan, pag kayo nag-shopping, ito po maganda. The moment na mag-shopping kayo worth 8,999 dito sa isa sa mga packages natin, eto na, bibigyan po namin kayo ng easy code for free. Kaya sabi namin walang registration, kaya sabi namin walang kapital, walang investment. Bakit? Kasi ibibigay namin yung easy code sa inyo ng libre. Now some of you might be asking, ano ba yung easy code na yan? Well, itong easy code na to mga kaibigan will enable you to do this business. Without this easy code, hindi mo magagawa itong negosyo. Kailangan mo ng easy code para magawa itong negosyo. And imagine, nag-shopping ka lang, libre namin ibibigay. And once na magawa mo, and once na makapag-shopping ka, meron ka ng easy code, ito na good news, magagawa mo na yung negosyo. So the next question is, paano ko gagawin itong negosyo? Interesado na ako eh. Sige na, okay na yan. Ang ganda ng produkto nyo. Magsha-shopping lang ako. Walang problema dyan. Nasa akin ang easy code. Anong next na gagawin ko? Paano ba kumita dyan? So ito na mga kaibigan. Wala nang kukurap. Okay? Because i-discuss ko na po sa inyo kung paano kumita ng income dito sa ating negosyo. Kung bakit marami po kaming na-produce na mga nagbago ang buhay dito. Alright? So, dito sa business platform ng Empowered Consumerism, merong 4 ways for you to earn. Itong 4 na compensation plans natin, binary, unilevel, stair steps, and Unipay plan. Now, let's start with the binary platform. Bakit? Kasi itong binary platform, you will earn this on a daily basis. Okay? Daily basis po to. Araw-araw mong pwedeng kitain. So, ibig sabihin, pag in-apply mo ang binary platform, you don't need to wait for 15 days or 30 days para kumita ng income. Bakit? Kasi pwede mong kitain to araw-araw. And dito sa binary platform, you have 2 ways to earn. Number 1 is direct easy pack bonus and the other one is the match sales bonus. So, let's first discuss yung direct easy pack bonus. Once na ma-hit mo yung direct easy pack bonus, you will have a chance to earn, nakikita ba? Yan. You will now have a chance to earn 700 pesos. Napakabilis. Ma-hit mo yung direct easy pack bonus, may 700 pesos ka. Paano yon? Before we discuss yun, yung nakalagay po sa baba, sabi dito, 1,200 product points in every empowered consumerism packages. Bakit? Yung 8,999 na package, kasi po, bawat produkto natin, meron pong tinatawag na, na product points. Alright? So, pero pag bumili ka ng package, fix na po yun. 1,200 points po yun. Importante po itong 1,200 points later on as we go along. Pero ito mga kaibigan, isa lang po masasabi ko sa Direct Easy Pack bonus. Pagka meron ka na-invite, katulad ng taong nag-invite sa inyo, okay? Nanonood kayo ngayon, nakita niya yung negosyo, yung opportunity, nakita niya na pwede kayong kumita dito, naging interesado kayo, nag-connect kayo sa business platform na Empowered Consumerism. Yung tao nag-invite sa inyo, nag-shopping kayo, worth 8,999. Yung tao nag-invite sa inyo will get 700 pesos. O ikaw na lang, para hindi ka malito. Nag-member ka na dito sa Empowered Consumerism, ang gagawin mo, mag-i-invite ka ng mga taong interesadong gawin tong negosyong to. And pag sila nag-shopping worth 8,999 pesos, automatically you get 700 pesos Direct Easy Pack bonus. Ganun lang po kadali. So kung meron kang in-invite na 10 na naging interesadong gawin tong negosyong to, o di meron ka sa 10 700 pesos, that's 7,000 pesos. Alright? Basta lahat ng imbitahan mo na maging interesado at nag-shopping worth 8,999 na package, you get 700 pesos. Alright? So parang ganito, ikaw yan, in-invite mo si Matt. Well, ito ang binary mga kaibigan. The reason it's called binary, it's taken from the word bi, which means two. Dalawang sides lang po, left and right. So, ikaw, dahil negosyo mo to, ikaw mamimili kung saan mo ilalagay yung kaibigan mo. Si Matt, whether gusto mo siya ilagay sa left or sa right. So for the sake of this example, lagay na lang natin siya sa left mo. So for example, yung kaibigan mo si Matt, in-invite mo, nagustuhan niya yung negosyo, nag-shopping, 8,999, automatically you get 700 pesos. Si Ching, na kaibigan mo, kaya naging matching po yan, nilagay mo sa right side mo. Okay? Pwede mo pa rin ilagay yan sa left mo, pero nilagay mo sa right mo. Alright? Para mas lalo niyo maintindihan, left and right. Naging interesado, ginawa itong negosyo, bumili ng package, nag-shopping, worth 8,999, automatically you get 700. Lahat na imbitahan mo na mag-join, you get 700. Si Matt, kaya yan nag-join, tsaka si Ching, kasi gusto rin nilang gawin yung ginawa mo. Mag-i-invite din po yan sa left and right. So, itong si Matt, in-invite niya si letter A, naging interesado, nag-shopping, 8,909. Si Matt, meron ding 700, dahil siya nag-invite. In-invite niya si B, naging interesado rin, he gets another 700. Si Ching ganun din, in-invite si B, tsaka si C. Si C at tsaka si D pala. Kumita siya ng 700 kay C at tsaka kay B. Ngayon, eto tanong. Ikaw, kikita ka rin ba ng 700 kay A, B, C, and D? Of course not. Kaya nga po, Direct Easy Pack bonus eh. Kaya po direct. Kung sino lang po yung nag-imbita, siya lang ang kikita. Alright? Ikaw, hindi mo naman inimbitahan si A, B, C, and D. So, hindi ka kikita. Pero, paano yan? Binary, left and right lang. Meron ka ng left, meron ka ng right. Paano ka pakikita? Hindi mo naman pwedeng ilagay sa tuktok. Tama? Meron ka pang kaibigan. Let's say, for example, itong kaibigan mo, si letter E. Ang pwede mong gawin dyan is yung tinatawag nating spillover. I-spillover mo siya, ikaw magde-decide kung gusto mo ilagay sa ilalim ni A, B, C, or D. In this case, nilagay mo siya sa ilalim ni letter A. Spillover direct po yan ang tinatawag. Ang tanong, sino kumita ng 700? Ikaw ba or si A? Siyempre, dahil ikaw ang nag-imbita, direct mo inimbitahan, ikaw ang merong 700 pesos. Maliwanag po ba? Ngayon, may gusto lang po akong i-clarify kasi ito po yung naririnig ng karamihan po sa labas na sinasabi nila, recruit yan, tao-tao yan, alam mo yan, scam yung mga ganyan. Ito po ang gusto kong i-clarify sa inyo. The reason 15 years na po nag-i-exist ang ating company, the reason we are a legit company is because hindi po tao-tao itong negosyo natin. Nagmukha lang pong tao-tao kasi nga nag-iimbita ka ng mga tao. Pero wala pong mangyayaring income kung walang product movement. Nagets niyo po ibig sabihin? Kung si Matt naging interesado lang pero hindi bumili ng products, hindi ka kikita. That is why our company is a product-driven business. You will never earn an income without you buying products or yung mga inimbitahan mo, walang binibiling product. Kaya po legit po ang ating company because we are a product-driven business. So sa mga nanonood ngayon, na mga consumers na, mga easy partners na, yun din po sana maintindihan ninyo na pag may nagsabi na tao-tao to, hindi po tao-tao to. We are a product-driven business. Gumagalaw po, nagkakaroon tayo ng income because of our products. Alright? Now, going back. Number 2 is the match sales bonus. Ito, mas malaking kikitain mo pag na-hit mo yan. 1,800 pesos ang kikitain mo. Paano yan? Ito, makinig mabuti para maintindihan nyo. Para ma-hit mo yung match sales bonus, sa left at saka sa right mo, kailangan merong tig 1,200 points. Merong 1,200 sa left, merong 1,200 sa right. Nag-guess niya ibig sabihin? So, ibig sabihin, pagka merong bumili ng products worth 8,999, di ba sabi ko, bawat package may 1,200 points? 1,200 points na yun. Meron na naman sa right mo, 1,200. Pag yun nangyari, kikita ka ng 1,800 pesos. Nag-match po yun. Nag-pair po yun. Kaya po tinatawag doon match sales bonus. Now, to further explain this, halimbawa yan ikaw, si Matt, nag-join under you. Dahil bumili siya ng products worth 8,999, meron na siyang 1,200 points. Tama po ba? Bakit? Yung package na yun is worth 1,200 points. Same thing with Ching. Pag nangyari yun, dalawang 1,200 sa left and right, automatically you get 1,800 pesos. Gets? Ngayon, si Matt, ganun din. Nag-invite si A at si B. Since yung left and right niya, may 1,200 points each na because of the package, meron siyang 1,800. Ganun din kay Ching. Meron din siyang 1,800. Etong good news. Kung sa direct easy pack bonus hindi ka nakikita kay A, B, C, and D, sa match sales bonus, kikita ka ng 1,800 dyan. Paano? Si A at saka si B happens to be on your left side. Si C at saka si D, nasa right side mo. Di ba ang usapan, para kumita ka ng match sales bonus, kailangan lang meron kang 1 to sa left at 1 to sa right. Itong si A, B, and D, dalawang 1,200 po yan. Dalawang package po yan. Bakit? Bumili sila ng tig-isang package So, dalawa po yan. Si C at D, dalawang 1,200 din po yan. Meaning, ito, pumare, si A and D, dalawang 1,200. Meron kang 1,800 na naman because nasa left and right mo sila. Si B, ganun din po. Meron ka na namang 1,800 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, para mas lalo nyo maintindihan, ito yung sinasabi nilang parang nagmumukhang tao-tao, pero hindi naman because product-driven tayo. Lahat ng mga mag-join sa'yo sa left and right, basta pumares po yan, you get 1,800. Alright? Provided meron silang biniling package. Alright? O basta umabot ng 1,200 points. For example, ito, yung right group sales mo, wala nang nag-invite, walang tao. Ang ginawa lang, itong si Ching, si C, at saka si D, dahil gusto nila yung produkto, bumili ng products sila for personal use. Itong si C, mahilig magbenta. Umabot ng 1,200 lahat nung binili nila. Kasi right group sales po yan. Pag nag 1,200 yan, automatic, pag yan pumare sa kabila, meron ka na namang 1,800 kahit walang tao. Bakit? Kasi si Ching, si C, at saka si D, nakapag-produce ng 1,200 points. At yung sa left mo, nakapag-produce din ng 1,200 points. Maliwanag po ba? Alright, maliwanag po ba? Thank you so much, Janet Soriano Pabula. Sabi niya, lupit ng guro ngayon, hanip sa explanation. I hope you mean that, no? Baka naman. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, now. Okay, now. Eto na. Ito tingnan nyo, para mas lalo kayong mabaliw dito sa negosyong to. Yung baliw na term na yon sa pang-network marketing term yon, yung baliw hindi po negative word yun dito. It's a positive word. Ibig sabihin talagang, wow, baliw na ako dyan. Nakikita ko na yung mga pangarap ko. Parang gano'n. Imagine nyo to. Dalawang tao lang in-invite mo. Tsaka si Matt at tsaka si Ching. Kumita ka na 700 kay Matt. Kumita ka na 700 kay Ching. Nagpares yan kaya naging 1,800. Ibig sabihin, sa dalawang taong in-invite mo, meron ka ng kinita na 3,200. And yet, ang ginawa mo lang, nag-shopping ka worth 8,999 na products. Tama? How much more kung ang kaibigan mo sa 100? Nakita mo yung pwedeng kitain nung pwede mong kitain because of this system? Paano yung mga inimbitahan mo na 100? Meron ting 1,000 kakilala. Nakikita mo na kung magkano pwede mong kitain because of the match sales bonus? Kasi kung titignan mo ito mga kaibigan, no? Pakita ko lang. Ito mga kaibigan, si A, B, C, and D, tsaka si Matt, tsaka si Ching, hindi naman hihinto mag-invite yan eh. Because they saw the vision. Nakita nila na pag sila nag-invite na napakaraming mga prospects nila, lumaki ang grupo nila, lumalim, dumami ang left and right. You can now imagine kung magkano pwede mong kitain because ang daming pares yan from your left and right, napakaraming 1,800 pesos po yun. Tama? So, hindi po hihinto yan na mag-invite. Alright? And darating ang time, mga kaibigan, na sa isang araw, pwede ka magkaroon ng 100 pairs. So, kung meron kang 100 matches, that's 1,800 pesos times 100, yun ang kikitain mo. Ganun po ba talagang kikitain mo? Hindi po. Kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na safety net. Yan. Kasi kahit na umabot ka ng 50 pairs sa isang araw, hanggang 16 match sales bonuses per day ka lang. 8 sa umaga at 8 sa hapon. Alright? So, ibig sabihin yan, ang pwede mong kitain is 28,800 pesos per day, 201,600 pesos per week, and 864,000 pesos gross per month. Ang laki. Tama? 16 match sales bonuses per day po yan. Some of you might be asking, teka lang, paano kung nagpo-produce ako ng 20 match sales bonus per day? Kasi ang dami nang nagmamatch sa left and right ko. Paano yun? May chance ba akong kumita ng mas malaki bukod dito sa 864,000 per month? Meron po. Kailangan mo lang pong ma-upgrade yung income mo. Ma-upgrade mo yan from 16 match sales bonus, magiging 20 per day. Paano? Ang kailangan nyo lang po is 2 personal points na reorder. Kaya personal ang tawag dyan kasi ikaw mismo bibili. Sabi ko nga, bawat produkto merong points po yan. And pag ikaw gumagamit ng product, syempre bibili ka ng bibili. And every time na bumibili ka ng products for your personal use, nagkakaroon po ng points yun, nag-generate ng points hanggang ma-reach mo yung 2 personal points. At once na ma-reach mo yung 2 personal points, automatically, you will be upgraded from 16 match sales bonus to 20 match sales bonuses per day. 10 sa umaga, 10 sa hapon, giving you 36,000 pesos per day, 252,000 pesos per week, and 1,080,000 pesos gross per month. Sasabihin nyo, teka lang, mas marami pa yung match sales bonus ko dyan kaysa sa 20 per day. Meron ba bang chance na ma-upgrade yan? Don't worry, meron pa. Pwedeng maging 32 match sales bonus per day po yan. Alam nyo kung ano lang po kailangan nyo gawin? Automatically, madidetect po ng sistema yan. The moment na ma-detect ng sistema na umabot ka na ng 801 pairs, sa sobrang daming pares mo, umabot ka na ng 801, automatically yung 20 match sales bonus mo magiging 32 match sales bonus, meaning 16 sa umaga at 16 sa hapon. Yung match sales bonus mo from 1,800, magiging 1,500. Pwede mo sabihin, teka lang, bakit bumaba? Huwag kayong mabahala. Dahil dumami naman po ang match sales bonus per day ninyo, giving you 48,000 maximum income per day, 336,000 per week, and 1.4 million per month. Okay na po bang kumita kayo ng 1.4 million pesos in 1 month? Alright? So, ganyan po yan mga kaibigan. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is i-mindset ninyo na ang this business na to is a product-driven business wherein the more na mag-produce ka, the more product movement sa buong grupo mo hanggang sa pinakailalim, the more chances or the bigger chances of you earning an income dito sa Empowered Consumerism. Hindi po kami tao-tao, unlike other companies na nagpipretend na legit pero scam. Pag ang company puros tao-tao, nakakatakot po yan. Alright? Nakakatakot po yan. Okay? Now, ang good news mo niyan, meron pa tayong tinatawag na EC5 payout. Wherein, etong maganda niyan, ma-process mo ngayon, 5 minutes later, pwede mo nang ma-withdraw. Grabe, no? Pwede mo nang ma-withdraw in 5 minutes. That only means na ganun po ka-stable ang ating company. All you need to do, dalawa po ang ating ATM, BDO tsaka China Trust. Makikita niyo po yun sa DTC. Yung DTC na yun is where you log in your username tsaka password para makita mo yung buong transaction mo. The person who invited you will be the one to discuss that to you. Meron po doon nakalagay na kung gusto mong i-withdraw or i-encash, magpipili ka between BDO or China Trust. Ang pwede lang po magbigay ng EC5 payout is yung China Trust. Don't forget to click po yung China Trust para in after 5 minutes, pwede mo na ma-withdraw sa ATM mo. Maganda po ba yan? Okay? Now, up to maximum of 30,000 pesos per day. Now, let's go to the monthly income naman. Imagine niyo, daily income palang pinag-uusapan natin. Meron pang monthly income. Let's first start with the Unilevel platform. Dito naman sa Unilevel platform, you will be earning through overriding commission. Ibig sabihin yan, simula first level mo hanggang 10th level. Ngayon, ano tong level na to? Ganito po yan. Ikaw ito. Si Matt at saka si Ching, ang tawag po doon, first level downline mo. Yung in-invite ni Matt at saka ni Ching na A, B, C, and D, second level mo po yun. Yung iimbitahan ni A, B, C, and D, magiging third level mo. Yung iimbitahan nila, magiging fourth level hanggang 10th level. Ibig sabihin yan, from your first level hanggang 10th level downlines mo. Downlines are the people under you. Yung hanggang 10th level mo, pag sila bumili ng products for their personal use or yung iba gusto magbenta, mahilig magbenta, automatically, lahat ng bibili nilang products from your first level hanggang 10th level mo, kahit wala kang ginawa, you get 5% product commissional points. And that 5% of the product commissional points, I should say. Kikita ka ng 5% na wala kang ginagawa. Yung mga downlines mo lang hanggang 10th level mo bumili, wala kang ginawa, kumita ka pa. Ito pa malupit. Pag yung bumili, yung mismong inimbitahan mo, like kunwari si Matt at saka si Ching, bukod sa 5%, since direct downline mo sila, may additional 5% pa. So kung 10 ang inimbitahan mo, ikaw yung nag-invite, direct mo sila, meron kang 10%, hindi lang po 5% kasi may additional 5% product commissional points pa. Alright? So, ganun kalaki kikitain mo na wala kang ginawa kasi nagbumili lang po sila ng products. Alright? Now, nandito na pala tayo sa StairStep platform. Now, ito, StairStep platform na to is what you call the, anong tawag dito, yung career path ng empowered consumerism. Sa corporate world, mga kaibigan, meron po tinatawag na career path. So, for example, from rank and file position, magiging supervisor, magiging assistant manager to becoming a vice president. Dito sa empowered consumerism, meron din po tayong tinatawag na career path. So, you will start with distributor. Magsisimula ka being a distributor. Once na mag-connect ka sa business platform ng empowered consumerism, you now become a distributor. And your next goal is to become a silver executive. Maging ma-promote ka into silver executive. Bakit? Kasi the moment na ma-promote ka to silver executive, you will be earning additional 10% rebates sa lahat ng bibili ng mga products sa downlines mo hanggang sa pinakailalim mo. Alright? Hindi lang hanggang 10th level, but hanggang sa pinakailalim. Alright? Ayun. Bumahing yung kapartner ko dito. rinig. Okay. Alright. So, you get 10% rebates. Bukod dun sa binary income mo at saka sa Unilevel income mo, meron ka pa additional 10% rebates. Now, I'm not gonna be discussing to you yung rebates kasi pag discuss ko yung rebates, malilito na po talaga kayo. So, it is the job of the person who invited you kung paano niya i-discuss yung rebates. Pero ito lang po kaya ko sabihin. Yung rebates, another way for you to earn an income. Kaya good news po yan. Alright? Paano ka maging silver executive? Ang kailangan mo lang 10 positional points. Ano na naman yung 10 positional points na yan? Sabi ko, bawat produkto, merong positional points. And you're not gonna do that alone. Bakit? Kasi itong 10 positional points na to, gagawin nyo yan as a group. Halimbawa, bumili si Matt ng products worth 2 points. Si Ching bumili ng products worth 2 points din. So, 2 plus 2, that's 4 points. Tapos yung mga ilalim nila, bumili rin ng products. Yung points nila, yung points ng buong grupo mo, accumulated lahat yan, points niyo po lahat yan. Hindi mo gagawin mag-isa. And once na makuha mo 10 positional points, automatically you get promoted to silver executive. Ang maganda yan, pagka silver executive ka na, next goal mo is to become a gold executive. Paano? All you need is 100 positional points. Again, this is group points. Parami ng parami ang grupo mo, palalim ng palalim, dumadami lalo ang gumagamit ng products. Kaya pag na-hit mo ang 100 positional points, yung rebates mo will go up to 20%. Next is for you to become a global ambassador. Kasi the moment na may global ambassador ka, 30% rebates po yan. All you need is 1,000 positional points. Ito ang pinaka-goal mo, maging global ambassador. Huwag muna nating i-discuss tong Ruby Global Ambassador and Diamond Global Ambassador because as you go along in this business, marirealize mo rin kung ano tong Ruby and Global, pero Diamond. Pero sa ngayon, ang goal mo lang is first to become a global ambassador. Alright? Para ma-maximize mo yung income mo dito sa empowered consumerism. I'm not saying na hindi ka kikita sa distributor or silver executive or gold executive. What I'm saying is if you really want to maximize your income dito sa negosyong to, you need to become a global ambassador. Maliwanag po ba? Now, maganda dito, no time frame. Pwede kang mag 1,000 points. Walang time frame po yan. Walang sinasabing every month, mababalik sa zero. Hindi. Wala pong time frame yan. No reversion, no demotion. Hindi ka na babalik sa gold executive kung global ambassador ka na. Alright? And no pass up. Now, ito pa isang maganda, personal rebates. Bumili ka lang ng products mo. Okay? Let's say, for example, silver executive ka, bumili ka ng products. Yung 10% na rebates dun sa produktong binili mo, babalik po sa'yo because silver executive ka. Personal rebate po ang tawag dyan. If you're gold executive, bumili ka ng products for your personal use, 20% na rebates dun sa positional points, babalik po sa iyan. Kikitain mo the following month dun sa stair-step income mo. Same thing with you, Global Ambassador, 30% yung rebates na babalik po sa iyo. Maliwanag po ba? Now, tapusin na po natin mga kaibigan. Unipay Plan Platform or the UPP. It's just the same, parang ano rin po ito, parang stair-steps and the Unilevel. Dito maganda because you're not just gonna be earning hanggang 10th level, kikita ka pa hanggang 20th level mo. Alright? Hanggang 20th level, pwede kang kumita ng income. Unipay Plan Platform. First up to 3rd level, you get 5% commission. 4th up to 8th level, you get 4% commission. 9th up to 15, 3%. 16 to 17, 4%. And 18 to 20th level, you get 5% commission. Ang pinakamaganda dito, mga kaibigan, is what you call the interloop hybrid system. Sabi nga dito, the unique feature of the marketing plan where the benefits of one compensation plan is interconnected to the other compensation plans, hence achieving greater benefit and income potential. Ang maganda dito, this is the first in the industry of multi-level marketing. Tayo lang po nakagawa nito. Empowered consumerism lang po. Wherein, pag kumita ka sa binary, automatic, kikita ka sa Unilevel, stair-steps, and UPP. So the more na ma-maximize mo yung product movement, the more nakikita ka, hindi lang sa isang compensation plan, but sa 4 na compensation plan. Kaya ang dami po talagang nagbago ang buhay dito sa aming negosyong to. It's simply because we have a very perfect marketing plan. And bukod sa ating marketing plan, napakaganda rin po ng ating produkto. Tandaan niyo mga kaibigan, hindi po magiging successful ang isang multi-level marketing company kung hindi po ganun kaganda ang product, hindi maganda ang marketing plan, at hindi stable ang company. Good news sa atin, lahat pong tatlong to, nasa atin na po. We've been here for 15 years. Napakaganda po ng ating marketing plan and we have amazing products to go along with the marketing plan and yung stable company natin. And that, mga kaibigan, is the marketing plan ng Empowered Consumerism. I hope, marami po kayong, I hope naging clear po ang aking discussion. Just like, napaka-clear din po ang discussion ni Dr. Butch sa ating products. Pero ito lang po kaya ko sabihin. Alright? Ito lang po kaya ko sabihin. Ngayong pandemic crisis na to, hindi tayo pwede magpatumpik-tumpik. Ang ibig sabihin, pag may dumating na opportunity, kahit hindi nyo pa alam kung paano gawin yan, i-grab nyo na. Kasi minsan lang po dumating ang opportunity sa buhay natin. The moment na mag-grab mo yung opportunity na yan, and that's the time na isipin mo kung paano gawin. Pero ang point ko dito, empowered consumerism is an opportunity for you to earn an income. Ang good news ito, we have the perfect platform para gawin to either online or offline. Kahit na nasa bahay ka, after work, pwede mong gawin tong negosyong to. Even for just 2 to 3 hours, you can earn an income in this business. Alright? Kailangan natin ng extra income ngayon. Hindi natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa atin sa mga susunod na araw, sa mga susunod na buwan, sa mga susunod na taon. Dapat po maging financially prepared tayo with empowered consumerism. And with that, maraming salamat po. And let me call on again my partner for today, Dr. Butch Villena. Yon, naka-mute po kayo, Doc.
Partner, thank you. So, katulad ulit sinabi ni Brother Christian, pag may opportunity po, grab it. Okay? At just like what we've been mentioning, okay, dito po tulong-tulong po tayo. Okay, that once you become part of the community, i-assist po namin kayo. Ang ating pong Facebook page is open from Monday to Saturday. Meron po tayong seminars ng 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, at 7 o'clock para po sa inyo. Okay? So, again, dedication, salamat. Pero, I would like to inform our dear empowered leaders, part of the community, ingat po tayong lahat. Kung walang gagawin sa labas, stay safe, stay at home. Okay? At kung meron naman pong gagawin sa labas, face shield, face mask, hand sanitizer, alcohol, social distancing po tayo. Okay? So, sa ating mga guests, welcome sa ating empowered Koishuism. Lari ko siya.
Before tayo magpaalam, Doc, paalala ko lang ulit, huwag natin kalimutan, mamaya na po,
Yun!
7 p.m., The Importance of Excitement Easy Podcast with Sir John Asperin. Ang host po natin, malupit din, mga vice presidents natin, Sir Arvin and Sir Turgeon Gonzalez. Don't miss that tomorrow. Ay mamaya, mga kaibigan, alas 7 po. Again,
Sakto, alas 7.
ito, not just sa ating Facebook, but also sa ating YouTube channel, Empowered Consumerism
At pare,
TV.
sa Wednesday, Brad, sa Wednesday. Banggit ko
Yes!
na rin, si Hall of Famer tuloy-tuloy lang. Yan.
Yes!
Ang
Ganda ng
tatay
title
ng
nito.
A1, ang tatay ng A1, si Engineer Carlo Benaventura naman po ang guest natin. Okay? And Brad, thank you. Sa ating mga
Thank you,
important consumers, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And again, God bless.
God bless po.
God bless.
Goodbye, everyone. See you again next time. Yeah, all right. Puso!
Stay safe.